Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In previous video we have learned that how we can pass a value directly from this app component to the component C, that is the child component under the B, and B is under A and A is under app. That means we have a series of component. So from the first app component we are passing a property directly to the child C by using createContext. Now question arises that can we only pass a single property or single value to this component? No, we can pass multiple properties also. Like we do in property, we can pass any object also, we can pass function also. So that we are going to learn here. So for that I just remove this and here I give the object, and suppose I say I give name here and I say Dr. Vipin Classes like this, and under this we have to put one more object like this way, and this is the value. In place of this we can pass one more value, like I say course and I say PhD like this. I save this, so I close this also like this. So we just pass here multiple value in an object like this, and I'm using here. So here I can't use like this, I have to use object. So I say dot and I say name. So if I put here name, then I will have the value here as a name. But if I pass here, and you will see that we have a PhD also, and if I say name, then I have this name also. So can we pass method also? Yes, we can pass method also. Just I create a function and I say function name is display, and I say this display is a arrow function, and that return h2, and I say this is display function. Okay, save this, and here like I do here, I just make comma and I say on display, then I say display. Save this, and you see that like we are passing a value, we can passing the function also, and here I can call this function and I say on display, and I just call this function like this. I save it, and you see that this is display function. So the output is coming. So we can call function also. Can we use with context also? Yes, we can use with context also. So I make it comment and I make this uncomment. I make it uncomment like this, and I remove this also. I remove this also. Save this, and you will see that name, course and PhD as a function I have to use. So all the value will display together like this. All information we have, and with the help of context object we can pass all these value. Similarly we can use all with this also, but this is the way to pass. So this is the way to pass function and object with multiple values in createContext. That's all in this video. If you like this, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.